So this video is just for those who want to see the innards of this innovative technology, Bluetooth receiver. And well, there you go. And that's all there is to it. Now, I'm trying to figure out where the Bluetooth module is. Nothing under there. Because that's the power board, and this is for the screen. I don't know, maybe the Bluetooth module's built in. Oh yeah, here it is. Because there's a Bluetooth antennas. Okay, so this board right here is the Bluetooth module. That's the one that also has the screen. Oh, alrighty then. That answers that question. And here's the light board for the VU meters. So, yep, that's the inside of that. And this was made in 2016. And surprisingly, mine still works. Knock on wood. So, alright, later.